My friend, welcome. In this video you're going to learn how to use demo simulator by using domain footprint trading scalping, how to build a strategy without risking any money at all, especially if you're a beginner. It's so important to start from this because many of you, when you open a platform like TigerTrade or another platform, a lot of numbers, a lot of this stuff. Honestly, I remember when I started this first time, when I opened this platform, for me also it was difficult because too many numbers, and you need to learn how to use it and work with that, because I remember a situation when I opened this platform during first 2 weeks, and because I misprinted volume size, and instead of risk $200 I lost 2,000. That's why I want you to avoid all of these mistakes, and you should definitely watch this video till the end. Account simulator, this stuff it works best on a platform TigerTrade. Below this video there would be a link where you can download it. Use our link. Those of you that will upgrade to 1 year plan, we will give you a course, mini course for scalping strategy entirely for free. That would be everything below with this video in description. How it works? Let's example for you how all of this stuff works. On this platform TigerTrade, you can go to special trading mode, and it is a simulator. What's the beauty of this trading mode? That you can do same trading based on domain footprint by using only demo money. It's really beautiful. Let me show to you an example. Have a look. At this moment what we have simulator. We open Bitcoin, we open spot DOM and futures market DOM. And have a look what we can do. For example, we choose an account. For example, let's open simulator one account, and let's do example review. Let's buy one Bitcoin.
Order placed.
And have a look. One moment.
Order filled.
We just bought review one Bitcoin. And what beauty of this platform? That you risk no money, but you can see. Have a look. Total P&L. You see total P&L, account, total profit, commission, all of that stuff. And for you it is a real good example how to trade without risking any money. Especially for beginners, it's really awesome. And also you can add, for example, on a chart, choose simulator, and on a chart you also see all this stuff. You see where you open a trade, where you take profit and stop loss. And what additional beauty of this, that you can open statistics. And in this statistic, you can choose account. For example, you decide to choose account simulator 1, and within, for example, 1, 2, 3 weeks, you can see your statistic, your results. That's why a lot of reasons to use this platform. Once more, a link to download it will be below this video. Also, I share with you free signals, my friends. For those of you that trade by domain footprint, there would be in description this Telegram channel with free signals. Have a look. And like today we took several trades, and all of them hit take profits based exactly on domain footprint. Big size on Uni, we took a trade, and within 3 hours price rose by 2%. Another one, FTM, we took long, and within additional 2 hours price rose by 2%. Below this video there would be free link. And remember to subscribe to this channel, to push like, and watch this lesson about what's DOM to understand why this stuff will help you make money a lot. See you. Thank you.